Recently I made a summer hat, but even though it fits well, it's really floppy and I want to give it some more structure. Something I want to try, and I haven't tried it yet, is a stiffening spray. And so I went to Walmart and I found this right here, Fabric Stiffener, and I'll put all the details, like how much it costs and everything, in the description section below. But I've never used this before, and I thought it would be a great solution potentially to just make the brim of the hat stiff and more structured. I don't want to affect anything for the actual part that goes around the head. I'd like that to stay moldable. So we're really just going to be using this on the brim. Now the instructions say, 1, shake well before use. So shake well. We're doing this experiment together. And then 2, place fabric on protected surface. So we're outside, so we're okay on that. Lightly spray the fabric from 8 to 10 inches away until the entire surface area is damp but not soaked. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inside of the brim, not the outside, so the outside can stay really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it. Let's see if I can show you exactly what I'm doing. So I'm holding it so my hand is right where the bottom of the hat ends and where I want the brim to really just kind of like start. And I'm gonna spray. Okay, and I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna spray. Okay, so the bottom is damp but not soaked, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let it be flat. I'm gonna place it, oh, you can't see anything. I'm gonna go ahead and place it upside down so that way this part can dry. I don't wanna place it on the ground because this stick dry, it might make it stick to the ground, and I don't wanna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just place it on the ground. Let me show you what I'm looking at. So placing it on the ground, I'm gonna let it dry like that, give it a few minutes, and then we will see what happens. 3-minute check, still wet. Okay. All right, 6 minutes. How we looking? A little more dry. I might start flipping it this way now, because now it's not going to stick to the ground, and maybe now that'll give me some more structure. Cool. All right, I think we are ready for test number 1 after the stiffening spray. So much better. Oh, check that out. When I move it, it kind of stays put. And this is just barely using the spray. Oh, there we go. That, so much better. I like it. It worked.